Guys, in this video, we will learn about the fractions, right? First of all, how to solve the fractions. Okay, so here we have 2 over 10. So, what is the top part called? Top part called a numerator, right? This is called a numerator. And this one is called denominator. Okay, so how are you going to reduce the numerator and the denominator? So we will check here the 2 over 10. They both are the multiples of 2 times table, right? So 2 times 1, 2, and 2 times 5 gives you 10. So answer for this first question is 1 over 5. This is the lowest term, or you can say reduced term. Okay, now let's solve the another question. If it's written 12, this is question 2, this one was question 1. 12 over 24. So what we need to do, we will solve this, we will simplify this 12 and 24 by 2 times table, right? By 3 times table. There are many tables, right? That they're both multiples comes, right? So we can take it the direct highest common factor, right? We will take the highest largest table, which is 12. So 12, 24, yes, 24 is the multiple of 12 times table. 12 times 1 gives you 12 and 12 times 2 gives you 24. So we can easily simplify this by direct 12 times. 12 times 1 gives you 12. 12 times 2 gives you 24, right? It is very important that the numerator and denominator means both the terms, both the numbers will come in the same table. Okay, so here the final answer for question 2 is 1 over 2. This is the answer. Okay, now these two questions are the part of that you need how you're going to reduce the fractions, right? Now the second thing, how are you going to solve the fractions, right? The like terms, okay? Let's solve the like terms. For example, question 1, it gives you like 2 over 5 plus 3 over 5. Yes, how are you going to solve them? There are two terms here. You need to bring it into one terms. So it's so easy. First, so see, check the denominators. Are they both same? Yes, both the denominators are same. So when both the denominators are same, we will take 5 common and add the numerators. We add the top numbers. So 2 plus 3 gives you 5. Okay, so 5 over 5. Do you think this is the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. You're going to reduce it, right, by direct 5 times table, because they both comes in, they both are divisible, or they both comes in 5 times. So 5 times 1, 5 times 1. So what is your final answer? The final answer is 1 only. Okay, so this is the addition one. Same goes with the subtraction. So instead of plus sign, we'll get minus sign. So instead of addition, that you need to do subtraction. Okay, so let's solve the another fractions using a subtraction sign. And how are you going to solve the subtraction one, right? So here, let's take another color. Okay, now question 2. if it's written 7 over 10 subtract 3 over 10. Yes, so easy. First of all, what we need to check? You need to check the denominators, right? These two denominators. First of all, you need to write down the answer of the denominators. So 10 and 10, you will not say the 10 plus 10 or just take, you need to take one 10 common. Okay, because both the tens are some. These two questions, question one, question two, they both are the part of like terms. So 7 minus 3. Yes, what is the answer? 7 minus 3. The answer is, come on students, tell me. The answer is 4. Okay. Okay. Now 4 over 10. Do you think this is the final answer? No, this is not the final answer. If you are good enough in tables, you know the tables, you do remember the tables very well, you can easily solve these questions. You know that the 4 and the 10, that is not the final answer. They're both divisible by one table. Can you guess which table? Yes, 2 times, right? So you can cancel it by 2 times table because 2 times 2 gives you 4 and 10. These are basically the answers, or you can say product. Okay, so you need to check two what's are 10. Two fives are 10. So 5 is basically the answer for this reduced one because you need to simplify them. Okay, answer ones in simplest form. So 2 over 5 is the final answer. Okay, now students solve the unlike terms, right? I'm going to solve the unlike terms. Okay. Okay, now unlike terms, let's take another one. If the question one is unlike terms like 3 over 5 plus 7 over 10. Okay, now how are you going to solve this? I told you in the previous examples that you need to check the denominators, but here, what are the denominators? Yes, what are the denominators? 5, sorry, let me put here, it's a 5 and this one is 10. So they both are different numbers. So how are you going to make them same? See here 5 and 10, they both are the products of 5 times table. Can you make this 5? Can you make this 5 into 10? Yes. Do you know 5 times table? 5 times 2 gives you 10, right? So basically this 5, when you multiply by 2, you will get 10. Okay, so how are you going to make it same denominator? Okay, so let me take another color so you will understand it very well. This is 3 over 5 plus 7 over 10. So I'm saying that when you multiply 5 by this 2, you will get 10. So this 5 times 2 multiplied by 10. So automatically this 5 is equivalent to 10, right? So when you're going to multiply by 2 in the denominator, same that you need to multiply by 2 in the numerator. This is the rule, okay? So now the denominators are same. 10 here, 10 here. And what about this 3 times 2? What is 3 times 2? It gives you 6. And the 7 will come as it is. Right? Okay. Now, so easy. This unlike terms become alike terms, right? By making the denominators equivalent. Okay. Now, what we need to do? We need to add. Before addition, write down the denominators first and add the numerators. Means top numbers. 6 plus 7 gives you 13. The 13 over 10 is the. Do you think is the answer? Yes, guys, do you think this is the answer? No, this is not the answer. Why? Because this is in which form? This is in an improper form. Have you heard what is improper form? Yes. Do you know what is improper form? Improper form means the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So you need to write down the answer in a mixed number form. So how are you going to write down the answer? Because 13 and 10 you cannot simplify. 13 is the prime number, 10 is the even number, right? Do you think that 13 is the multiples of 10? 13 comes in 10 times? No. Do you think 13 comes in 2 times? 2 5 are 10. 2 times 5 is 10. But 13 won't come in 2 times table. So in this case, what we need to do? You need to bring the answer in the mixed number form, right? How you need to bring the answer in a mixed number form? See, this 10 will come outside of the denominator, this division, and 13 will come inside. So 10 times 1, 10. Okay, now when we subtract, I know that students, you know the division sums, right? 13 minus 10 gives you 3. Okay, so write down the answer. First of all, you need to write down 1 as a whole number, and this 3, the remainder is 3. We go up as a numerator, and this 10 come as a denominator. Okay, so we are going clockwise. Okay, 1 whole 3 over 10 is the answer. Okay, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, don't forget to give the thumbs up, okay, and do comment me if you want to ask any questions, right? And for the appreciation note, do subscribe my channel, right? So thank you and take care. Bye bye.